Hi, this is Cherie with Rehash Fiber. Today we're going to talk about spinning from the fold. The two reasons I would spin from the fold would be if I wanted to retain the colors that are in the fiber rather than spinning them to where they all mush together. Spinning from the fold can help you go through each color that is in your roving. And the other reason would be if the staple lengths of your fiber, if it's a combined fiber, and this one is merino and bamboo, if the fiber lengths are different staple lengths, then you might want to spin from the fold. Because if you have different lengths, sometimes as you're spinning, only the long ones are going in, and then you have kind of a bunchy mess of the small ones that are left over. I have some lovely roving from Living Dreams yarn. And they are a business in Washington State that was started in 2001. And I'm going to show you how to spin from the fold. I have all this roving and I want to organize it. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to make a braid, if you don't already know how. All right. It's kind of like the crochet concept of making a chain. See, I just hold this, lay that over, and then pull through. And then we're going to just continue to pull through. This will help keep the fiber organized while you're working through it. See how this really nice braid formed? That's great. I'm not even going to pull it through the last one. But the reason that I want to spin from the fold is you can see all of these colors, and I don't want to lose that. I don't want them all to mush together. I want to see these in my spun yarn. So that's why we're spinning from the fold. So here we go. You start by just pulling a bit off. And that right there is your staple. Now, you hold it over your finger, and we're going to start by spinning from the tip. You can spin from the top or the tip. I usually just naturally start spin from the tip. Another option is you don't have to keep your finger in there. If it starts to feel warm, or if the warmth of your finger starts to affect how the yarn is drafting, just take it out and you can spin from here. All right, but I like to keep it right in here and work from this. Do you see how all of that color is coming? I like that better. Doing just a short forward draw, nice and controlled. I really enjoy this. This is the fun of spinning. You could do it all day long. As you're going, just keep moving the fiber down your finger so that you are constantly spinning off the tip. All right, so I reached the end and you see what kind of happens here. It just got a little bit messy. So what I like to do is just, you take it and you can just reorganize it and get it looking nice again. And then you can finish off from there. Now we're going to spin from the top. So I pulled a little fiber out and we'll join. Have to twist it in there. And there you go, we're spinning from the top of the finger. I prefer going from the tip because I kind of feel like I start from this side and just work my way over. I like the way that's so organized. And I suppose I could do that with off the top too. It's just the things that come natural. But I wanted to show you this way off the top. I don't usually work this close to the e-spinner, but to keep it all in the camera frame, that's what we're doing. Also, if you notice the Spanish words on my wrist, you're actually just joining part of my life. I have been studying Spanish for years, and some of the words don't stick in my head, so I decided I'm going to write them on my wrist and look at them for a week, and maybe by then they'll stick in my head. And so I'm not going to scrub them off for a show because I need to keep them there so I can learn them. So there you have it. Happy spinning, everybody, and thanks for watching. If you would like to join the Rehash Fiber community, click on the link in the description and give what you can.